All right, workshop 1. So again, these are those ones where if you've been given the steps, you got to know your steps. That's the key. What does an addition mean? It means you break a pi bond. What does an elimination mean? It means you make a pi bond. What does a substitution mean? It means you substitute something. Right? What does a proton transfer mean? It means a proton moves around. So for this one, and also you got to be conscious of, I will always give you the start material, the reagents, and the products if I ask for mechanism. But you got to make sure you take advantage of that. That's a big help because you can see where things need to go, right? What needs to happen. So these two O's right here need to come off, and looks like this oxygen ends up there. First step, proton transfer. Next step, elimination. So how do I know it's this oxygen? Well, elimination, you're going to need lone pairs, right? You only have two options. And this, why would you take lone pairs away from something that already has a plus charge? Elimination, break that, make the pi bond. Water adds, all right, breaks the pi bond. We're going to do a proton transfer. We're going to move it to this oxygen, not this one, because, right, we need to break this bond. So do that proton transfer. We do another elimination. Make a pi bond. That frees up the alcohol, and then we do a final proton transfer to remake H+. We know that needs to be one of our last steps because that's a catalyst, right? Catalysts need to be regenerated. This is essentially the reverse of the one we just did. This is actually putting the alcohol on the ketone. Steps. So, right, this alcohol needs to end up here. We need to lose water. First step, proton transfer. We're going to protonate carbonyl, the aceto bond, something. Alcohol adds, breaks the pi bond. Proton transfer rate, because remember, we're going to try to get rid of this. Do an elimination. That loses the water. Makes this oxocarbenium ion we talked about. The alcohol adds, right, because that's the bond we need to make, right? We need to get this whole thing on there. It adds, breaks the pi bond. Final proton transfer to regenerate the catalyst. For this one, again, big time importance to recognize what you need to do, right? We need to have this nitrogen bond to that carbon, all right? Proton transfer is the first step. We protonate the oxygen and the aceto bond O. The nitrogen adds, right? Some people wanted the water to add. It could. It's just not leading you to the product, right? This is the bond you need to make. Do the proton transfer, right? Why does this oxygen's lone pair is not the nitrogen's? Well, because you want to make a pi bond between the carbon and the oxygen. So let's make that pi bond. So elimination kicks the water out. Proton transfer, deprotonate to regenerate the catalyst. Make this. Biggest thing people missed up here was they just forgot to realize, what am I trying to do big picture? Almost the reverse of the last one. H+ catalyst, breaking the carbon nitrogen, making carbon oxygen. First step, proton transfer. Add, break the pi bond, proton transfer. Why does it go to this and not this? Because we're trying to lose that piece. Lone pairs come down. Why are these lone pairs not these lone pairs? Is because this oxygen is one that needs to make the pi bond, not this one, right? So just be paying attention. Also, what the oxygen usually with the hydrogen on it is the one that's going to do the elimination of the lone pairs, because that's what's going to lose the hydrogen to the last step for that last proton transfer. Another variation, H+ again. So these are acidic conditions. First step, proton transfer. It doesn't matter, actually. You could go to either one. It doesn't matter which one you went to. They got protonated, doesn't matter. Water adds, right? Make that tetrahedral intermediate. Do the proton transfer. It needs to go to this oxygen, right? Again, we're in acidic conditions, so overall plus charge. Lone pairs come down, break the pi bond, or make the pi bond. That kicks out. Deprotonation, proton transfer, last step. Back to regenerate the catalyst. And so we've seen neutral ones where there's no charge to start. We've seen a lot of H+ catalysts, acidic conditions to charge start. You can also have basic conditions, right? We don't really count this. There's a minus charge. These are usually pretty simple. It adds, breaks the pi bond. Electrons come down, kicks out the chlorine, the best leaving group. It's elimination, and you're done.